How to verify your PayPal account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with the process of verifying your PayPal account. In order to get verified, you have to first confirm your bank account and your email address. So let's go ahead and do that. Open up any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in paypal.com and get logged into the PayPal account that you would like to verify. Once you do so, first of all, let's go ahead and confirm our email address and show PayPal that our account is legit. Tap on three-bar icon here, then tap on Settings. At this section, if your email address is not verified, you will be able to see it at this section. If you scroll below a little bit, you will see Email here, and you have to tap onto it and confirm your email address. Now for the second step, you have to add or confirm your bank account. Tap on three-bar icon again, tap on Wallet. Tap on Link a Card. At this section, you may go ahead and type in the debit or credit card number of the account that you would like to associate with your PayPal. Once done, select the card type, type in your card's expiration date, security code, and then confirm your billing address. Once done, tap on Link Card, and it will be shown right at this page. Now, you can easily go ahead and make some transactions, and likewise, after a couple transactions, PayPal will know that your account is legit, and you may go ahead and verify your account using the help of PayPal support team. After a couple transactions, you may go ahead and tap on Settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on Contact Us. Tap on Messages under Recommended. And likewise, talk with this customer support service in order to verify your account. That is all for today, and thank you for watching.